In 2003, Lego was losing $1 million per day. It wasn't a sales problem. It was excessive complexity. They launched clothing, video games, theme parks, and thousands of unique pieces. Within a few years, they went from 6,000 to 12,000 different types of bricks. Each new piece required its own mold, inventory, and logistics. The cost structure spiraled out of control. The more they sold, the more they lost. Growth without margin. The problem wasn't creativity. It was lack of operational focus. Jørgen Vig Knudstorp stepped in and made an unpopular decision. He sold the theme parks, streamlined the company, and reduced the number of pieces from 12,000 to 6,000. One clear rule: if a piece couldn't be used in at least 5 different sets, it wouldn't be produced. Designers argued this would limit creativity. The result was the opposite. Fewer pieces, greater efficiency. Logistics became cheaper. Inventory turned faster. Margins returned. Lego stopped trying to be everything. It went back to mastering the basics. Many companies fail for the same reason: bloated product portfolios, excessive customization, heavy cost structures. Complexity often looks like innovation, but it is frequently disguised waste. In your business, which product exists only because someone asked for it once? And how much is that costing you every month?